Vinegar has myriads of uses in the kitchen, but did you know that it also has many uses in the garden? Here are a few ways vinegar can help make your garden beautiful. Number 1. Insect spray. Vinegar is an effective solution for eliminating garden insects. To create a vinegar spray that works on garden insects, combine 3 parts water with 1 part vinegar in a spray bottle and add a teaspoon of dishwashing detergent. Shake the spray bottle to mix the contents thoroughly before use in the garden. Number 2. Kill grass and weeds in unwanted areas. Spraying or pouring straight vinegar on your weeds or grass that has overgrown onto driveways or cement will kill them and stop them from growing for a time. Also, adding salt to the mixture may be a little more effective in this process. You also may need to do this a few times, but it is safer and a natural alternative. Number 3. Feed your plants. Some plants like Gardenias, holly, and Begonias thrive on acidic soil. You can give those plants some extra love by spritzing with a mixture of 1 gallon of water with 1 cup of white vinegar. Number 4. Get rid of ants. Ants don't like the smell of vinegar, so you can keep them at bay by mixing 1 part water and 1 part vinegar in a spray bottle and attacking ant hills with the solution. Both white vinegar and apple cider vinegar work well. Number 5. Keep fruit flies away. Protect your fruits and fruit trees by making a fruit fly deterrent or rather attractant that they get stuck in. To make, use 1 cup of water, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 cup of sugar and 1 tablespoon of molasses. Mix it all together. Using empty and clean tin cans, make a wire or sturdy string hanger and hang in your fruit trees. This will attract the flies and they will get stuck. Number 6. Clean clay pots. Clay pots help keep the soil cool inside the pot in the summer, prevents water from being trapped, and their warm reddish color provide attractive look too. However, as they age, they absorb calcium, minerals, and salts from water and fertilizers, all making them look ugly. If you want to bring them to their original glory, use vinegar. Mix 1 part water, 1 part white distilled vinegar. Soak clay pots in the solution for at least an hour to remove stains and mineral deposits. Number 7. Keep away animals from garden. Many animals, including common garden destroyers like rodents, moles, cats, dogs, rabbits, and deer, loathe the strong scent of vinegar. You can keep out these unwanted visitors from the garden by soaking several old clothes in white vinegar and placing them on stakes around your garden, where they usually come most. Re-soak the clothes about every 6 to 7 days regularly for better results.